Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this presentation, I will explain the law of conservation of linear momentum which I have practiced with my group. The law of conservation of linear momentum states that the total momentum of a system it will remain the same if there were no external force acting on the system. Meanwhile, linear motion itself is one-dimensional motion along a straight path. The law of conservation of conservation of linear momentum. The formula used is P equal mv. In this experiment, the total momentum of the object before the collision and after the collision is the same. Conservation of momentum does not apply to systems that do not have symmetries, such as curved spacetime in general relativity. For example, a loaded truck that is moving will be more difficult to stop or accelerate compared to an empty truck, even though the speed of both is the same, because the momentum of the load truck is greater. We did 5 trials with the same mass and also with different masses. In this experiment, my group and I tested 2 cars that were both stationary, then hit them, triggering on one of the cars to move and then hitting the second car which was stationary. Formula used: before the collision occurs, P0 equals m1 multiplied v, P0 equals m1 multiplied s0 divided t. Moment after the collision occurs, P equals m multiplied v, P equals m1 plus m2 multiplied s divided t. Even though it has the same mass in the first experiment, the initial momentum and final momentum are different because it is caused by an external force, which in this experiment use a pushing force, which is in accordance with Newton's second law, which states that a force acting on an object will cause a change in momentum. That completes my presentation for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.